Hi everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I just put a quick face on trying out the Mario Makeup by Mario foundation. I like it so far. Everyone's like, it's super, like I have it somewhere here. Everyone talks about how glowy it is and you can see like shimmer particles. Maybe I see the shimmer particles, but I didn't think it was too glowy. So anyway, I am going to do my Lucky Bag unboxing. This is the Lucky Bag 2022 because it comes in January, even though you buy it on Boxing Day. Now, I set an alarm and totally spaced on it, and I thought I wasn't going to have any luck. I thought it was going to be all sold out because it was a few hours after. However, I was in luck, and they had the 75 ones still available, as well as the Jeffree Star ones, I think. The 150, I think, was sold out, but I don't like to get that box. So you're supposed to spend 75 plus tax and all of that, though I had a gift card, and then you're supposed to get double that, so 150 worth of products. So we'll see what I get. We'll see if it's extra lucky. I love doing these. It says, now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's Lucky Bag's design is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together. Oh, that's cute. Hashtag Lucky Bag 2023, hashtag Beautylish. Like that. I do really like the tissue paper. I'm always impressed with it. Yeah, it looks like they have things from all over. So let's see. Okay, looks like it's all wrapped up in here. I have the tissue paper that I'll probably keep. Let's see. I see a palette. Wow, it's really held nicely together. Ooh, Charlotte Tilbury Beautifying Face Palette. Blush and glow for eyes, cheeks, and face. I don't believe I have this. I love Charlotte Tilbury. It's very expensive. I bet this is like worth almost the price of the bag. Oh, it's gorgeous. I don't love face palettes. Oh, there goes my cat. Ooh, the highlighters feel very interesting. I'm interested in her new highlighter. And this looks like the perfect shade for me because I did get the, yeah, they're not super pigmented, but that's not a bad thing. I did get the fair to medium set. There's typically always a good molecules in there, which is fine. This is an ultra hydrating facial oil formulated with camellia and sea buckthorn oils to hydrate, protect, and nourish. Oh, sea buckthorn's good. I'll take that. That's pretty cheap. I bet that's around $10. Ooh, Wing Goss Luxury Cream Lipstick in Pecan. I don't think I have this one. I love this silver packaging. You don't really see a lot of silver packaging, and then it's just the black tube with the color indicator right there. Ooh, a nice brown. I think that'll be nice. I like his formula. I like Wing Goss, so excited to have that. Ooh, next a little Natasha Denona Rose Cheek Duo. Little mini. I typically love these. Oh, and they're cream. Ooh, I don't know if the highlighter's cream. Oh yeah, it says cream. Where can I swatch this? Ooh, nice peach. I love that. That looks great. Oh, I think this is another Wayne Goss. Wow, so far so good. All brands I love. Though I like getting brands I don't know about. This is the Essential Lip Pencil by Wayne Goss in Sepia. Be cool if it would have matched. I don't think I've tried one of his pencils before. Oh, it does kind of go well. I wonder if that was on purpose. It looks a little more like mauve-y in the pencil. It does have a little bit of a mauve. Ooh, I hope these are brushes. Wow, this is, I don't know if it's extra lucky, but in my opinion, this is lucky. So I saw a lot of people getting these, so I don't know what brand this is. Probably not that expensive. Unit 308, 310, 307, and 309. My cat is eating all of these wrappings, so a nice little detailed blender. I mean, I'll always take more brushes, though I have a lot, kind of big, ooh, very soft pencil. Looks like a great blending. And nice, I'm always looking for just packing eyeshadow brushes, a little on the bigger side. So I'll take that. And then lastly, what is this? What is this? This is, dang, I already have this. I was like, oh, do I already have this? So I'll try to see if I can trade this. This is the Hindash Monochromance palette that I actually got fairly recently. Dang, which I actually haven't used yet, but I'll show you mine. So that was the one bummer, but everything else is good. I'll see if I can trade that with someone. I've done that before. So that's a monochromance, which is a nice palette. Let me just make sure. Is this the... Yeah, it's just in the black packaging. So honestly, I think just between, you know, these, I definitely know that I have my value almost probably ×2. So very excited. I think that was great. Like I said, just that one kind of product I already have, but that's pretty good as a makeup lover. Yeah, I'm really excited about that. All high end except this, which they always put a Good Molecules in. So I think they're the only retail of Good Molecules, or it's their brand, something like that. Anyways, what did you guys get in your lucky bag? Do you think I was extra lucky? I think this was a great bag. I love getting the variety. There's always like a palette and eye brushes, and it's just such a fun little thing to do. So one of these days, maybe I'll get the 150 box, but for now, 75 is enough. Plus all the tax and shipping. So anyway, hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.